Introducing John McCarthy.
John McCarthy was a pioneering computer scientist whose vision helped launch the field of artificial intelligence. His curiosity and innovative ideas were crucial in turning AI from a concept into a scientific discipline. McCarthy's work continues to influence modern computers, robotics, and our understanding of what machines might someday achieve.
Coining the term artificial intelligence.
In 1955, John McCarthy first introduced the term artificial intelligence. He proposed organizing a summer research workshop at Dartmouth College to explore the possibilities of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. This moment crystallized AI as a distinct field, uniting researchers to focus on the ambitious goal.
The 1956 Dartmouth Workshop.
The Dartmouth Summer Research Project in 1956, led by McCarthy, is now seen as the birth of artificial intelligence as a field. Researchers like Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, and Alan Newell joined McCarthy. This gathering established foundational questions: how to make machines reason, learn, and solve problems, setting the course for decades of research.
McCarthy's technical contributions.
John McCarthy made several groundbreaking technical advances. Notably, he developed the programming language LISP, which became a key tool in early AI research. His work also explored time-sharing for computers and formalized methods for reasoning, such as the concept of advice-taker programs, laying the groundwork for machine reasoning.
John McCarthy's legacy in AI.
Thanks to McCarthy's vision, artificial intelligence became a respected scientific field. His emphasis on open inquiry, collaboration, and technical rigor inspired generations of researchers. Today, AI shapes technology, society, and imagination, an enduring legacy of a foundational thinker who dared to ask what it means for machines to think.